am going to be restoring a Singer Featherweight 221 machine. It's in really good condition. This one is made in the 1950s. I can't remember the exact date, but I did check the serial number. The black paint is in great condition. There's really not very many cracks or any chips or any scratches of any kind. The only thing that it does have is a tiny mark on this bed here, and that was from this thread wire. So when this bed was put up, the thread wire caused a little bit of a mark. So I've now pushed that thread wire back so it won't be touching this area again. This was not caused by me. This is when I got the machine. It's a pretty standard looking machine. It's got more of the Art Deco gold decaling on it. It does need a standard Singer presser foot, straight foot, but I know those are easy to find. The presser foot plate there is your standard D-shaped presser foot plate, no lines. The light has the switch on the light fixture, not below. And we come around here. I do have the foot pedal for this. It does need a new belt, which I do have. I'm going to replace. It does require the knob for the belt here. I have to find that. I also noticed it does need a screw for the top of the motor, which is right here. And other than that, it's in great condition. Nice and shiny and not a lot of marks on it. And the only other thing that it does need is a bobbin case. Other than that, it's in great condition. So I'm going to try to find a bobbin case, which I know can be tricky and expensive, and hopefully I can get that motor up and running with the new belt. And I'm going to replace the light bulb as well. So let's hope it goes as planned.